Getting older is a privilege, but thriving in your 70s and 80s is truly impressive. Many people begin to slow down during these years due to health challenges, reduced stamina, and the natural effects of aging. However, if you're in your 70s or 80s and still capable of doing the following 8 things, you're not just aging well, you're exceptional. These signs reveal that you're maintaining abilities many others start to lose. Walking without assistance. If you're still walking steadily without needing a cane or walker, your physical condition is excellent. Walking independently calls for leg strength, balance, and joint mobility. As we get older, muscle weakness, arthritis, and nerve issues can make walking harder. So if you're still handling daily strolls or errands on your own, it's a powerful sign your body is still functioning beautifully. It means your coordination is intact, your circulation is strong, and your independence is preserved. Recalling names, dates, and daily tasks. Mental clarity often declines with age and memory. Lapses become more common, but if you can still remember appointments, phone numbers, and important dates without constant reminders, your cognitive health is impressive. A memory that's sharp reflects a brain that's active and well-functioning, helping you remain self-reliant and in control of your life. Preparing and cooking your own meals. Still cooking for yourself? That's no small feat. Chopping vegetables, using the stove, and organizing groceries requires both mental focus and physical coordination. If you're handling meal prep on your own, it shows your hands are steady, your thinking is clear, and you're staying involved in daily routines. Many seniors step away from cooking due to fatigue or forgetfulness, so continuing this task speaks volumes about your capabilities. Managing your finances, paying bills, balancing your bank account, or using digital banking tools signals strong independence. Handling money well requires logic, attention to detail, and mental clarity. Cognitive decline often first shows up in difficulty managing finances, so if you're still confidently in charge, your mental sharpness is truly commendable. Standing up without using your hands. Try rising from a chair without using your hands or arms. If you can do this with ease, it shows that your leg and core muscles are still solid. This may seem small, but it's a big indicator of mobility and strength. Those who struggle with this often begin to lose their independence. If you're still doing it comfortably, your body is on your side. Reading without difficulty or magnifiers. Can you still read books, menus, or newspapers without straining your eyes or needing strong glasses? That's an uncommon gift at your age. Vision naturally declines over time, and conditions like cataracts or macular degeneration are common. So if your eyesight is still allowing you to read or do fine work like sewing, you're ahead of the curve. Engaging in conversations. Easily being able to hear well and keep up with conversations without asking people to repeat themselves is a huge plus. It shows not only that your hearing is in good shape, but also that your mind is quick and socially alert. Many older adults feel isolated due to hearing loss or slower mental processing, but if you're still engaging with ease, you're holding on to one of life's greatest pleasures, connection. Staying positive and curious about life. Lastly, if you still enjoy learning new things, exploring hobbies, or asking questions, your spirit is youthful. A curious and optimistic outlook has been linked to longer life, stronger immunity, and richer relationships. Keeping this mindset reflects resilience and gratitude, and it's a big part of what helps you continue to thrive. If you're still doing even half of these things, you're ahead of the game. But if you can check off all 8, you're a rare treasure in a world where aging is often associated with decline. Keep shining. You're living proof that growing older doesn't mean growing weaker.